Unlocking the secret behind face for the camera. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard but not fully understood: face for the camera. It's a phrase that pops up in various contexts, and we're here to unpack its meanings and uses. So, let's get into it and shed some light on this intriguing expression. Face for the camera refers to the idea of presenting oneself in a visually appealing or photogenic manner suitable for photographs or videos. This phrase can be interpreted in a couple of ways, depending on the context. Firstly, it might mean someone naturally looks good on camera, possessing qualities that make them photograph well. Secondly, it can imply the act of preparing oneself to look their best for a photo or video, involving aspects like posing, smiling, or adjusting one's appearance to enhance how they come across on camera. This phrase is commonly used in settings where visuals are key. This includes photography and modeling. In these industries, having a face for the camera is a compliment, suggesting that someone has features or expressions that make them stand out in photographs. Social media. With the rise of platforms like Instagram and TikTok, users often aim to present a face for the camera by taking flattering selfies or engaging videos. Everyday use. It's not just for professionals. Friends and family might use it lightheartedly when taking photos together, encouraging each other to show their best face for the camera. Understanding this phrase is more than just adding another expression to your vocabulary. It reflects a broader cultural emphasis on visual presentation and the power of imagery in our lives. In language learning, grasping such phrases enriches your understanding of cultural nuances and helps you communicate more effectively in various contexts. 1. Lighting. Good lighting can dramatically improve how you look on camera. Natural light is usually the most flattering. 2. Angle. Find your best angle by experimenting with the camera position. Often, slightly above eye level works well. 3. Expression. A genuine smile or a natural, relaxed expression tends to be more appealing than forced poses. 4. Practice. The more comfortable you become in front of the camera, the better you'll look. Practice makes perfect. We hope this exploration of the phrase, face for the camera, has been enlightening. Whether you're aiming to boost your Instagram game or just want to look your best in your next family photo, remembering these insights can help. Remember, the best face for the camera is one that reflects your confidence and joy. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.